told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Baba, hello ka. Hello.
Yan siya guys, pinakamalaking statue. Dito kami ngayon sa Bayambang. Ang ganda dito. Ayan guys, napakaganda dito. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo yung statue. Hindi nakukuha sa kasi sobrang laki. Yeah, ihaharap ko na lang. Ayan guys, yung mga pamilya namin. Hi to my vlog. Hi to my vlog. Kaway.
Ay.
Ayan guys, yung pinakamalaki.
Kailangan kilay namin dyan, pantay
Hindi umaabot. Ayan, hi to my vlog.
Try natin dito. Dating pinagluluto, tagaluto lang namin.
Dating tagaluto din nanay.
Dating tagaluto lang namin yan. Ngayon, nag-ano na yan.
Tumaas na yung rango. Na-promote.
Sino mo nag-abang pa yun ng picture?
Ayun yung dalawa ko. Miga, wag tatawid
Tawid ka. Alam ko na kasi rin si Pika.
Napakaganda dito guys. Ayan. Pwede kang mamasyal dito guys. Ang dami ding kainan. Ayan, pasyala. Ayan, may mga parking lot. Ayan yung pinaka ano, hindi ko pa rin siya maabot-abot kasi sobrang laki niya. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Oh. Ayan, dito yung ano, simbahan. Simbahan. Ay, ayun si Basyang. Si Basyang, masama ang si Basyang. Ayun yung buong pamilya. Oh, picture.
Kaya akong picturean mo kami. Halika na. Isa mo yung vlogger.
Ayan guys, may mga pasyalan pa dito guys. Sa baba dito may mga pa-church. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya guys. Ano? Saint Vincent Ferrer. Saan? Ha? Sisimba tayo? Halika na, Mig. Simba muna tayo. Bilis na. Dasal muna tayo na.
Pasamantala.
Na. Ha? Punta muna tayo sa simbahan, guys. Ay, ito na guys, oh, pag gabi na ganyan na. Oh. Madami na siyang ilaw. Ay, siya guys. Puro na yan ilaw. Ang dami ng ilaw niya. Oh. Puro na yan ilaw. Ayan guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. Maraming salamat. Bye!